Welcome to my honest review of SilverStripe. Today, I'm taking a closer look at this open source content management system and website builder. If you're unfamiliar with it, SilverStripe is known for its flexibility, offering users a powerful platform for building websites and managing content. Whether you're a developer or a business owner looking to create a custom website, SilverStripe gives you a lot of control. When you first land on the SilverStripe homepage, you can immediately tell that the focus is on providing an open-source solution for developers. Unlike other website builders that might prioritize drag-and-drop features, SilverStripe is all about customization. The CMS is designed to be developer-friendly, allowing for extensive customization to its robust API and support for custom coding. This makes it a great choice for developers looking to create complex, tailored websites. Navigating through the site, you'll notice the ease of installation and the clear documentation available. The documentation is thorough, and there are plenty of resources for developers to get started. If you're someone who's familiar with coding, you'll appreciate the flexibility this CMS offers. However, if you're new to coding or website management, it might take some time to learn the ropes. Fortunately, the community around SilverStripe is active, so you'll find lots of support online. In terms of design, SilverStripe comes with a simple, clean default theme. However, if you want to truly make your website stand out, you'll need to dive into custom themes or purchase pre-built themes from third-party providers. The CMS gives you full control over the structure and design of your website, so it's really about what you make of it. Now, let's talk about the backend. SilverStripe uses a straightforward admin interface that is easy to navigate once you get the hang of it. The interface allows you to create pages, add content, and manage settings without too much hassle. However, since this is a more developer-focused platform, it may feel a bit technical for those used to more beginner-friendly platforms like Wix or WordPress. The content editing features are solid, with a focus on flexibility. You can easily create custom content types, manage media, and build forms. Plus, SilverStripe supports multi-language websites, which is great if you need to reach a global audience. Many useful links can be found in the description, so make sure to check them out after watching the video for additional resources. Overall, SilverStripe is a fantastic option for developers who need a flexible and powerful CMS. It may not be the best choice for absolute beginners, but if you're comfortable with code and need a customizable solution, SilverStripe should definitely be on your radar. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews of website builders and other tools.